In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify for 2025. Let's jump right into it. Setting up your Facebook Pixel on Shopify is a crucial step if you're looking to optimize your advertising campaigns and track conversions on your online store. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin interface. This is where we'll begin our integration process. Once you're in your Shopify admin, head over to the Sales Channels section. Here, you should see an option for Facebook. If you haven't already added Facebook as a sales channel, you'll need to do that first. This integration allows you to sync your Shopify store with your Facebook account, which is essential for running Facebook ads effectively. Now that you've accessed the Facebook sales channel, the next step is to connect your Facebook account and business manager. This connection is important because it ensures that all your advertising resources are properly linked. If you haven't set up a business manager account yet, you may want to do that beforehand, as it helps manage your business presence on Facebook. Moving on, you'll see an option for data sharing settings. Here, you should select the highest level of data sharing, which is typically labeled as maximum. Doing this allows for comprehensive tracking of visitor interactions on your site, which is essential for gathering vital insights and tailoring your marketing strategies effectively. At this point, Shopify will automatically add the Facebook Pixel to your store. This seamless integration means you won't have to manually insert the Pixel code yourself, as it's already handled for you by the Shopify system. It's one of the perks of using Shopify, providing an easier setup and avoiding potential technical hiccups. To make sure everything is set up correctly, go over to the online store section, then to Preferences. Here, you should check for your Pixel ID. This ID confirms that your Pixel is indeed active and ready to collect data. Additionally, for an added layer of confirmation, you can use Facebook's Pixel Helper browser extension. This handy tool will allow you to verify that your Pixel is working as intended. It will provide immediate feedback on whether the Pixel is firing correctly on your website pages. Now that the Pixel is successfully set up and verified, you can start creating Facebook ad campaigns specifically targeting your Shopify audience. With the data collected, you'll be able to tailor your ads more effectively and improve your return on investment. And there you have it, a streamlined process to set up your Facebook Pixel on Shopify in 2025. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Facebook ads to boost your Shopify store's performance. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your marketing efforts.